Hello and welcome to another KYC Lookup video where we bring you AML related content to help you enhance your knowledge in the fight against money laundering. Today we are going to explain what is an asset manager, products and services they provide, and if they are regulated. But before diving into today's video, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. Oh, and don't forget to leave us a comment with any suggested topics you would like us to cover in the future. We also have a special announcement to make, so be sure to watch until the end to find out what it is. So, on to today's video. What is an asset manager? An asset manager is someone whose role is to determine what investments to make or avoid on behalf of their customer in order to grow their client's portfolio. Investments may include a wide range of things, like real estate, commodities, and mutual funds, for example. Global asset management is big business, and as of October 2020, it is believed that all assets managed by investment managers is close to $100 trillion. How does an asset manager make money? Asset managers make their money in a variety of ways. Some make their money through commissions or management fees, some get flat fees, and others through a performance fee. Asset managers come with their own set of expertise, and so it's no wonder companies snap them up to generate big bucks. Take, for example, a drinks company or a tech company. Both are specialists in their own field, but don't necessarily know how to invest their money in order to grow. That's why they would hire an investment manager to take care of that side of the business for them. Who are the industry's big players? Unsurprisingly, there are some huge players in the asset management industry, and we are not talking about these companies managing millions or billions of dollars, but trillions of dollars. As of 2020, BlackRock is number one and managing investments to a staggering $9 trillion. The Vanguard Group is next with just over $6 trillion, and UBS Group coming in at number 3 with just over $3 trillion being managed. Are asset managers regulated? The short answer is yes. Asset managers globally tend to be regulated by the local conduct regulatory body in the country or countries where they operate. The regulators are responsible for the functioning of the financial markets, aiming to ensure honest and fair markets by protecting consumers, the financial markets, and promoting competition among the companies in the financial services industry. Some of the well-known regulators in the asset management industry are the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, also known as FINRA, the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, the Federal Financial Services Authority, BaFin, and the Monetary Authority of Singapore, MAS. Despite most asset managers being regulated, be fully aware of entering a relationship with an unregulated asset manager, which, although not common, they do exist. What documentation is needed at the time of onboarding an asset manager from an AML perspective? The documentation or information required at the time of onboarding a regulated asset manager varies based on the country where the asset manager is being onboarded and the country where it is regulated. However, at a high level, the information required would be the following: constitutional documentation, such as articles of incorporation, articles of association, bylaws, certificate of incorporation, or memorandum of association. Copy of its regulatory status, such as countries renew the license on an annual basis, so it's important to have the most up-to-date one in file. Ultimate beneficial owners. As part of some of the new AML directives around the world, regulated legal entities are now required to provide ownership information. As most big asset managers are owned by other institutional clients, it may not have individuals meeting the threshold required. However, in those scenarios, it would be the person with significant day-to-day control who would be considered the ultimate beneficial owner, such as the CEO, or president. Controlling parties, such as board of directors, executive management, or relationship contacts. An identification of source of funds and wealth. So, let's recap. An asset manager is someone whose role is to determine what investments to make or avoid on behalf of their customer in order to grow their client's portfolio. Investments may include a wide range of things like real estate, commodities, or mutual funds. An asset manager would usually create revenue through commissions, management fees, some get flat fees, and others through a performance fee. Well, there you have it. A basic introduction to what an asset manager is, how they make money, and the documentation required at the time of onboarding. Please tell us in the comments section what is your interpretation of an asset manager, and what benefits or risks do you see by using them to grow your portfolio. Now for the special announcement mentioned at the start of the video. We are now launching our very own online courses for you to take a more in-depth look at a variety of subjects, such as Introduction to AML, Beneficial Ownership, and Customer Risk Rating, for example. So make sure you visit our website for further details, and let us help you connect the dots in KYC. Thank you for watching the video, and if you made it this far, don't forget to like and subscribe to watch more amazing videos.